Number 5. Stanley Fat Max. Power Tools / Hand Tools. Stanley Fat Max Mobile Workstation. Dimensions, 24.8 by 21.6 by 16.2. Made in, United States. Weight, 23.6 pounds. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Keter Classic Toolbox. Dimensions, 18.99L, by 10.24W, by 9.84H. Rugged polypropylene resin construction. Lid organizers on either side of the handle to hold small parts. Metal lid stopper to hold the lid open while you work. Reliable tool storage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Vito Pro Puck Model LC. Weatherproof body fabric. Heavy-duty fastenings and zippers for durability. Holds more than 75 hand tools. Ergonomic design features over-molded grip. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. DeWalt DWST08203H. Robust structural foam box with large interior space. Removable tray for hand tools. Side latches allow stacking modules one on top of the other. Durable 4mm thick structural foam box wall. Side handles enable carrying or assembling products. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Milwaukee Pack Out. Made of a solid construction. Industrial grade extension handle. Interior organizer tray. Dimensions, 22.1 by 18.9 by 25.6 inches. Weight, 1 pounds. Please check the description for details and best price.